Hey everyone, this is Heather again, and this is going to be another short video in our series on how to use Scany to find really good swing trading setups. So today we are going to use the volume shelf scanner. This actually goes hand in hand with the supports, any kinds of supports, mostly with anchored VWAP supports, and this can act as a really good support or resistance level. If the price is right below the volume shelf, then that can act as a resistance level. If it's above it, then that can push the price higher and act as a support level. So let's see what happened. I have not gone over any of these before this video. So we have the volume shelf. Let's actually try to do one support as well, just to reduce the number. So we have gone to just 59. So let's see if we can find something that we did not cover in the supports video. So we have KGC, GS. Let's see, we have GS, Goldman Sachs, everyone knows about it. So April 1st we are here, right? April 1st we are here, and you can see now this is the beauty of these volume shelves. These act as support levels even if you cannot see a nice horizontal support level. So we did have this level that we were expecting, but this level was sort of automatically incorporated in the volume shelf as well. If you had entered here, because if you had entered here, since you had a support level below and there was 50 moving average below as well, that would be, let's say, your stop loss. You would have your stop loss here and you would enter right away, because this is a support level, and you know that there is a volume shelf. You cannot see the volume shelf right now, but you can actually. So this is the volume shelf. This is the largest volume shelf in this region. So that's what we are trying to just I think play here. And then we have a support right below the price, a horizontal support. So both good signals. They are providing us confidence. So if we had entered here, we'd enter at 325, let's say, and then we'd be sitting at 350 actually. So a $25 profit in a month. That's really good. Alright, let's see something else. CL Blue APPN. I've seen this name somewhere, so let's try to look at this. Right, nice. So April 1st. Okay, this is again very interesting, because again we have the volume shelf here, but what's happening here? We can see that the price above, we are here. So this is April. So the price above, or the line above, is actually a resistance. We are in a downward trend, which means the moving averages are going to act as a resistance. And then we have excuse me, we have a horizontal resistance level right above the current price, right here, right? So this is going to be a bearish signal, because we have the volume shelf. If you look at the line and if you just follow it, you'll see that the volume shelf is actually above the price, which means when it is above the price, the largest shelf, that might act as a resistance level. And then we have a horizontal resistance level as well. So this would actually be a bearish position. If you entered, the price tried to go back up, but again we had the horizontal resistance, and then we also had a 20 moving average resistance here. So you can see that the price went down again. Now we are standing at a support, so you'll probably sell right now. So let's see the entry at let's say about 40, and then we are sitting at about 120 or 119, about 121 actually. So that would be a $20, yeah, $15-20 decrease. Let's say if you had bought puts, that would be like your puts would increase in value significantly. So again, we have just gone over two setups. They were both really good. Again, I had not looked at these setups before I started making this video, so I am actually doing these videos with you, so that you can see what the thought process is behind these. So again, this would have been a perfect entry for a bearish position, and then this worked perfectly as well. So that's it for this video. This is one of my favorite signals that I use to find really good support and resistance levels. Obviously, you can use couple this with these two to find, sort of just add more confidence. So that's it for this video. I'm going to see you in the next video. That will probably be the last video, so maybe the second last, so we'll see. Thank you so much for watching this, and see you guys in the next video.